Hey everyone, this is Pixel Perfection Mockups, and I just wanted to thank you for your purchase. You guys have purchased one of our Tumbler Mockup bundles, and so this video is going to walk you through how to download your different mockups from that bundle, how to import them over into Canva, and then also how to add a design to those mockups. So this is our Tumbler Mockup. When you guys place your order, you will get a download both through your Etsy shop as well as to your email, and it is going to look like this. This has a couple of different links in it. We have a link to this video and our YouTube channel, which has some other helpful things to help grow your shop, as well as how to use other mockups we offer. We have a link here for some other helpful tools and resources that we think will help you guys out. These are tools that we use every day for our shop. And then this link right here to download your files. Because of the size, they can't be downloaded directly. They have to be downloaded through Dropbox. So when you click on this, it'll take you to your Dropbox link. This will load, and here you see all of the tumblers that you just purchased. As you can see, each of the tumblers come without a straw and with a straw version. It just depends on what you guys are selling. And so it's super easy. You'll just click on the one you want, and then you hit download. It's going to download right to your computer. So you guys can just go through and you can download all of them. You can just get the ones you want. But that is super simple to get those onto your computer. And then what you guys are going to do is I will be editing these mockups in Canva. If you guys aren't familiar with Canva, it is a super easy to use online editing program. If you guys take a minute and jump over there, I will show you how to import the tumblers that you just downloaded, and then also how to import some designs and how to actually put those onto the tumblers. So first thing I would do is when you get to this page, you might have to set up an account, but it's free, so don't worry about that. Come over here to create a design, and then come down here to custom size. The mockups that we make are 3000 by 2000 pixels, so you're just going to enter those numbers here and then hit create new design. So this is going to be the frame that we're working on. Come down here to upload, and you can already see we have some of the new tumblers that we're working on. We have some Halloween ones that we'll be doing, and I'll walk you guys through how to do those today. If you want to upload the ones that you just downloaded, you would just click upload file and then go to my downloads and double click, and there you go. That's one of the ones that we just downloaded from Dropbox. Super fast, super simple. So for these ones, I'll walk you guys through. All you're going to do is grab the mockup that you want to edit and slide it over. When you get here, it'll fill up the page, and you can see now you have the mockup here with all the lighting and shadows for your tumbler already built in. So for this one, I want to use this design. All you do is slide that in. When you hit this point right here, you can see it always stretches it out. Just go past that, and now you can move it around with here and set it down. So what we want to do is we want to get this right on top of the tumblers. So now that we have this selected, come over here to your transparency tool and slide that down. So now you can see where that design is on top of the tumblers. So we can kind of shrink this back a little bit and get it right on top so it fills up the full space and covers all three tumblers entirely. Now we can take that, slide that transparency off, and then you're just going to right click, go to layer, go to send backwards, and that's it. Super simple. It's just sent it behind all the lighting and the shadow effects. So this tumbler is good to go. If you want to export this, you're just going to hit share, come down here and hit download. We suggest PNGs. Your sizing you shouldn't have to touch because it's already 3000 by 2000, and then you're just going to hit download, and that's going to download it right to your computer. So that is very easy, guys, and then I'll walk you through another one. We will do this jack-o'-lantern one, and this is something that, depending where you guys are getting your designs from, you might run into. So here we pulled in the jack-o'-lantern tumbler. I love this design. It's great for Halloween. And then we're going to pull in this design, which we think is going to go really good. And obviously this looks a little bit different than the other one. This one does not have a background. It is essentially on a transparent background, which is why we can see through it. So this is not going to work well. So what I would suggest is get rid of this guy and then go over here to elements, and we are just going to grab one of these shapes and slide it over. All right, so now what this shape is, it's just a colored block, and we are just going to spread it out and cover just like we did with the design. We're going to cover all the tumblers, and we're going to turn it white because this design is going to be on a white background. So now that we have that cover the tumblers, you can just right click, hit layer, send backwards. And now that issue we had with the transparency is going to be solved because essentially we've put a layer of white beneath the tumblers. So now we're going to pull back over that design. We're going to slide it to wherever we want it. I think that's going to look good right there. Let's get these pumpkins in the middle. That's perfect. And then right click, layer, send backwards. And now it is sitting on top of that white design that we already put back there. This looks great, wraps around the tumbler nicely. It really pops with that background. And then same thing, just share, download, and then you can take those designs, guys, and then you can upload those to your Etsy shop, your Printify, Printful, wherever you're getting these designs from, and whoever is making your tumblers. So I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead, like and subscribe, and we're going to keep uploading stuff for you guys. Thanks so much, and again, hope you guys have a great day, and happy selling. Bye-bye.